What you looking at, Sam? Looking for your stick. I was looking for your stick. Have you seen your stick? No? What you doing? Hey. Coming over? Coming over? There you go. Good job, Sam. Good job. You're a regular river runner now. You are. Your brother Ted would be proud, buddy. Did you know that? Oh. What'd you find, a rock? Yeah, believe it or not, there's a few of them around here. Yeah, careful, careful. Take it slow. Take it slow. Find another spot. You gonna find another spot? That's okay, it was a leaf. It is not gonna get you. The leaf is not gonna get you. You're getting too much fun over there. Come down here. It's easier. There you go. Good job. Veteran river crosser. Nanook of the North. Killer of grass. Yeah. There's a piece of dead grass down here. What else you find? That's the joy of being... What do you got? What do you got? Oh, you saved the rock. How good of you. So he may not have the exact same hunting skills that Ted had, but he's working on it. You getting all dried off? You getting all dried off? Are you? Or are you just looking for a worm to roll in? It's hard to tell. The Yorkie dance is a tricky one. Yep. No, you're digging. You're going after a worm. Get away from the worms. Oh my God, you're such a pain. Stop with the worms. Stop with the worms. You're crazy. Don't we give you enough meat? So Ted used to hunt for crawfish in the river. This one, he hunts for worms. Yeah. Definitely different personalities.